Hello guys, so here with me is a smart switch. Is one of advanced technologies. This smart switch supports Google Assistant and also Amazon Alexa. So it's a voice control device, and the operating voltage is as low as 85 volts to 250 volts. Very nice. So let me unbox it. So this is how it looks. So this is the terminals. Wow, very nice. That's very good. So this smart switch, um you can use it to control up to four of your home appliances remotely, and also with voice command. So one of some of these modern homes you see are being operated by this guy. These are one of the devices behind those Alexa of 18. So this is a very nice device. We also sell and install this device. So if you are interested, you were to reach out to us. So let's install the switch for you. So this is the manual. That's the only thing it comes with. So thank you.